Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to write about email writing. Okay, till here we have done the course of 9th standard and 10th standard of some of the chapters of science and mathematics. But here is our first video of email writing. This is the first video, students. So wait for a while, students. I know that you have written the email letter, essay, then notice, then advertisement, and another one in 9th standard as well as in 8th standard. But in 10th standard, you have to be very careful in it, because in 10th standard, as there is a rule of half marks cutting in writing skill as well as in literature. So you have to be very careful in it while writing the email, notice, report, and letter, because there is a half marks of their format only. They don't see your body, because in the body means in your written application, there will be just a simple grammatic mistakes and some word mistakes. They will cut half marks only of it. They will cut most of the marks of format. So you have to be very careful of a format. So first of all, we will see the format, and after all, we will discuss how to write an email in full one page, and if you want to extend it, how to extend it. Okay, so this is the full-fledged video about the email. Now let's quickly start the video. First of all, you have to start our email. For example, this is your paper. Let's take an example. This is your paper. Okay. No. Wait for a while, students. It's our paper of examination, board paper. Okay, and okay, this is your board paper. First of all, you have to be very careful, as in your paper the upper part should be of white plain area only. So you don't have to draw the margin over there. Ignore that part of every time. Now start from the lines area. Now first of all, you have to make the lines. These lines you have to make. First of all, make the three border lines upward and two horizontal line. No, not one horizontal and two vertical lines. So the one part, that means this part will be open. That you have to fill at the end of the email. You have to fill that area, but in starting, don't fill that area. So first of all, draw the box. Because there is a half marks of a box only. So first of all, draw the box in which you have to make the three lines only, not make the fourth line. Keep the gap. Okay, now from here, from the top of the, don't leave any line. From the top of the border, write the from. Let me first of all remove all the things that you can able to see clearly, properly. Okay, I hope that is clear to you. From the top, you don't have to leave any type of line. So first of all, write a from. From means who is writing the email to whom. Okay, now to, that means I am writing the letter, so my email will return in the from, and if I am writing to you all, then your email will be written to in the to. Now in ninth standard you have studied that from there is a format from to BCC and CC. So these two things are almost removed from our textbook as well as from our digest as well as in our syllabus also. So we don't have to learn this. But if you want a full marks and you don't want to take a chance, then I recommend you to write the CC and BCC. But if you don't want to write and you have to save your time, don't write it, because in CC and BCC you don't have to write anything. It is just for a labeling. In student life, the CC and BCC will not at all use. Okay, now first of all ignore the BCC and CC. From to, now date, you have to write a date in a form of 23 June 24. Students, don't write in the form of like this 2/7/24. Don't, this will be wrong. This will be wrong. You have to write like this. You have to write like this, and don't comma over here. Now subject. Subject, what is the subject? The subject is given to you in the question paper only. For example, rainy season, rain, or a leave application, then another all, then that you have to write in the subject. Now let's quickly complete the boxes. First of all, if students, I recommend you to in the from and in the box of to, you write the xyz gmail.com and abc gmail.com, because you know your email, you know your father and your mother email. But if any company and you have to write a letter to the company, email to the company, or to the headquarter, or police station, railway station, and another all, so you don't know the email of them. So what you have to do, you have to just put the email xyz gmail.com and abc gmail.com, so the examiner will not confuse and he will be move downward to the paper. So I am writing all the thing step by step. You have to carefully look out to it. From, in from we will write xyz gmail.com. And remember students, in writing the xyz gmail.com, from, to, date, subject, you don't have to use the cursive handwriting. You just have to use the simple handwriting. So don't use the cursive handwriting. Even writing the gmail.com and another all also. Okay. Now in 2, we will write abc gmail.com. Okay, I have written the cursive, that is my mistake. So now you have to write the date, and don't leave any type of space in between the letters. Like you have to like this only, abc gmail.com. Don't leave any type of space between the letters, because in the Gmail or email writing there is not at all a space between them. Now you have to write the date. What is the today's date? Today's date is 9th July. That means 9th July 2024. Now subject. I am writing the asking about the leave. Asking about the leave. That means I want a leave for family function, or someone expired in my family, or you want to visit to your friend house, or you have important work, then you want to leave also in your school, in your office, at your anything, at every place. If you want a leave, then you have to write a leave application. So our subject is asking about leave or a leave application. You can write anything at all. You can write anything at all, but leave application will be much more better option in the option of asking about the leave, because this is a students of 6th or a 7th standard student can relate to this. Okay, so now without wasting a time, now let's quickly start with our body. Now you have to underline it. Now in intro, what you will write, that you if you are studying in a class 10th B, 10th A, 10th C, etc., that you have to write the intro. That means why I am writing this letter, what is my purpose. Now you have to write in the body about your why you are taking the leave, and in the period of time you will come and go, how many period of time will you take to do this work, that you have to write in the body only. Now in the ending, this is about the body. In the ending, what you have to do, in ending you don't have to put the ending of a 10 to 11 line. You just have to complete the ending in the 3 to 4 lines in just a simple manner. I hope that you will give me the permission to do this, or to give me a leave, and can I take a leave, that you can write in the ending, not anymore. Okay, now at the end, at the last line of our body, you just have to write your name. For example, my name is Vansh, so I will write Vansh Patel. Or if you don't want to write the name, you can simply write XYZ. You can simply write XYZ also, but you have to leave a line between over here, between the body and the intro, and between the subject and intro. And remember students, you have to write the respected sir, ma'am, or if you are writing the email to your friend, so dear friend, dear him, dear her, etc., you can write. Now this is the format of our intro, that how you can score 5 out of 5 in the email. Now one short trick I want to give you for taking the whole page for a one email only, and you can write only this much of email, that no one have a doubt that you have not written sufficient email. Everyone, it looks like you have written an email of whole page. For example, let's take an example over here. For example, this is your exam paper. You will first of all draw a margin over here. Okay, so this area you will not write, so we will cut out this. Now you have this much of the paper. Now now in email you have to put the box. So first of all you will draw a box. And in writing skill or in literature or in grammar, I recommend you to draw one line over this side also, only of 1 centimeter, because it will looks like you have made a margin in the both the side, and you are writing the whole the things in the middle part, and it will be improve your looks and representation. So I recommend you to make one more margin in the right hand side and as well as in the left hand side. Left hand side is for answer 1, answer 2 you have to write over there. But the right hand side margin only for the better look and the representation. Now what you have to do, you have to make the box of email. You have, okay, and one more thing, students, you have to complete your email in the one page only. You cannot extend your email to second page, because if you extend your email to the second page or later to the second page, then you have to extend your box also. So how will you extend your box? So you have to compulsory write the email in the one page only, not in the second page. So this is your one page. Now we are closing this email over here. Now see how many space we have taken. See, this much of the space is empty of the whole paper. That means we are just writing in the middle part of the paper only. Now you can save your time as well as your paper as well as your mind also, because in email is that type of thing that you have waste lot of much time in thinking what I write next and what I will do next in the story. So I recommend you, first margin you have to make compulsory, but I recommend you to make the second margin also of a small it takes more. Remember students, don't make the margin of a 5 to 6 centimeter, take only 1 centimeter. But 1 centimeter can also help you much better from you don't write anything. Okay, you understand students? This much of the paper you will utilize. So, and your handwriting should be bigger. That means you are writing in this type of thing. That means I am Vansh. You are writing like this. But in the email or in the essay, you have to write like this. I am Vansh. That means you have to create your biggest handwriting, but not a bigger that it looks like a haphazard. It look like haphazard writing. So be clear, be innocent, what is the word I'm not finding. Be beauty. Have a beautiful intro, have a beautiful page. Don't do if you have made a mistake, if you want to write the M and you have written the was, so simply cut it. Don't scrap like this, because it disrespect the paper. That means it will not clear to visible. Okay students, it will not a beautiful representation of a paper. It will like it is a dustbin. So just cut it like a simple and leave it on. So don't use whitener also. Now here is the about the email writing. So don't be confused in email writing. I hope that you have liked the video. If you like, then like, share and subscribe our channel. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.